Hey, Sandra. Do you want to go to the movies tonight?
Maybe. What time?
How about the 9:15 show?
Oh, that's too late for me. I usually go to bed at 8:30.
So early?
Yeah, I have to get up at 5 a.m. to study before school.
5 a.m.? Why don't you study at night?
I don't like to stay up late. I'm a morning person. You look tired, John.
Yeah, well, I'm always tired.
Really? What time do you go to bed?
Usually around midnight. I like to stay up late, but I have to get up at 6:15 to go to work.
Do you want to go running tomorrow morning, Sam?
It depends. What time?
How about 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock? I don't get up until around 9:30.
Wow, you get a lot of sleep.
Not really. I usually stay up until about 3 in the morning.
Are you a morning person or a night person, Grace?
Oh, definitely a night person.
Really?
Yeah, I can't fall asleep before midnight. I usually go to bed around 1 a.m.
Huh. Do you sleep late in the morning?
Not really. I usually get up at 7:45.
Did you watch the 11 o'clock news last night, Mia?
No, I was asleep. I usually go to bed around 10.
10 o'clock? That's pretty early, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I'd like to stay up later, but I have to get up at 6 a.m. to go to work.
Hi, James. What's new?
Well, I got a new job a few weeks ago.
Really? Congratulations. How do you like it?
Well, it's great, except for the hours. I work the night shift.
Oh, no. When do you sleep?
Well, I go to bed at 8 in the morning. I sleep all day and get up at 4 in the afternoon.